Every morning got a sun shower right now. We're over there. Over there. Let's give it a nice good view right here. Huh? Oh no. That's alright. Little sun shower, guys. Isn't that strange? We had this a couple of times and that was it. And I'm looking forward to that karaoke thing hanging around later on. Son of a gun. That's what I mean, man. Look at the wind. Oh, the smell of rain, guys. Woo! Didn't see that come through here. Sorry, guys, I didn't know that. We got lots of time before karaoke starts, guys. Love sun shower again. But this time we have a bit more sun shower than Hamilton has. Videotaping the wind as well. It's just about gone, guys. So it's building up right here, and it's going down that way. So, oh wait, well, which way is it coming? Wait a minute, it's going down this way. No. Where in the heck is it heading? Yeah, this way. This way. Clouds building up over there. I think there's a thunderstorm happening down there, boys and girls. I love this kind of weather, guys. Well, guys, let me tell you some little story here. I haven't been here for 11 years. And this is my first time in 11 years I came back to this trailer park. So, that was a while back. I can't go out with a lot of people driving across their carts going home. We have lots of time to do some karaoke and stuff. Not lots of time, guys. And it's going to be a cold one probably tonight, so I have to get a warmer sweater. Okay, let's go out, guys, and see if it's still raining. Oh, yeah. Still raining, son of a gun. Dang, it's a little heavy. I gotta go back here, guys. It's coming down hard. Oh, wait. Lighting up a little bit. Yeah, here comes the sun. Look, you can see my shadow a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, my hat's wet now. Dang, guys. It's almost over. What an amazing sun shower. Love it. I'm actually standing right under here. Oh, I think that's the owner's house right here. Oh, look at the clouds up there now. Yeah, I think there's storms building up there, guys. So, well, first time in a while since we had a sun shower. My hat's wet already. That's why I'm gonna get another cowboy hat like this, so I can be out there. Let's see if it's still raining, guys. A little bit. Not as heavy though. Alright, guys. We have to end this off. See ya. Goodbye. Hope you had a little fun looking at this.